Is the highly anticipated 2026 M5 MacBook Air 13-inch truly the ultimate upgrade for your next laptop in 2025? This honest review dives deep into Apple's latest offering, revealing a compelling but complicated story. While boasting the powerful M5 chip for incredible AI and graphics performance, in finally raising base storage to a generous 512 gigabytes, the 13-inch M5 MacBook Air arrives with a significant $100 price hike. This stunning change pushes it out of the entry-level spot, now claimed by the much cheaper MacBook Neo, making your decision harder than ever. Despite its thin, rigid aluminum design and impressive 17-hour battery life, the display size remains similar to the Neo, and the overall design hasn't evolved since 2022. Our experts were particularly impressed by the M5's neural accelerator, driving exceptional on-device AI capabilities and setting a new bar for portable AI computing. However, for many users, the article dramatically suggests the 15-inch M5 MacBook Air might be the smarter buy if you're already making a significant jump from the Neo. For those considering an M1 or M2 upgrade, the M5 offers substantial performance gains, especially if you're looking for more screen real estate. Ready to experience the future of portable computing or discover the best MacBook Air deals? Find links to the M5 MacBook Air and its formidable alternatives in the video description below to secure yours today.